Now let's check your comprehension part. Let's find out some questions for the answers. Sorry, some answers for the questions. So the first question, how did the king treat the wounded person? The king treated the wounded person with sympathy. Second question, why did the bearded man swear revenge on the king? The bearded man wanted to take revenge on the king because the king killed his brother and occupied all this property. The third question, who had wounded the man and why? The bodyguard of the king wounded the man because he knew that he is going to attack the king. Fourth question, why did the man say that he would serve the king as his most faithful servant? Because even though he wanted to kill the king saved his life. That's why the wounded man wanted to serve the king as a most faithful servant. So these are the answers. Let's find out the next paragraph. The king was very happy to have made peace with his enemy so easily and to have won him over as a friend. He not only forgave him but also promised to give back the man his property. Now king is so happy because he gained a friend so easily. In fact, he attacked his brother, but still he wanted to become a friend. So the king forgave the wounded person and promised that he will give back all his property. Leaving the wounded man, the king went out the hut and looked round for the hermit. The king went up to the hermit and said, for the last time, I beg you to answer my questions, wise man. Now he is very happy. The king is very happy because he gained a friend. Now again he goes to the hermit and asks, for the last time, beg you to answer my questions, wise man. Now still he is worried about his three questions. He is asking the old man to answer his questions once again. You have already been answered, said the hermit. Already answers given to you, he said. How have I been answered? What do you mean? So king is surprised because no answers were given for his three questions. Still, the hermit is telling that you have been answered. That means your answers are already given. So surprisingly, he is asking, how have I been answered? What do you mean? When I was answered, what do you mean? Now let's find out the answer from the hermit in the ninth paragraph. Do you not see? Replied the hermit. If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away. Then that man would have attacked you. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds. And I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business. Later, when the man ran to us, the most uh, important time was when you were caring for him. Because if you had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. So he was the most important man, and what you did for him was your most important business. So, how the hermit is explaining the things to the king. Do you not see? ನೀನು ನೋಡ್ಲಿಲ್ವಾ? If you had not pitied my weakness yesterday and had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away. If you were not sympathizing me and if you had not taken the spade from me and you had not dug these beds for me, you would have gone away at the time itself. Then the man would have attacked you. So the most important time was when you were digging the beds. So as per my knowledge, my wish, the most important time was when you were digging the beds for me, and I was the most important man, and to do me good was your most important business. So most important thing was when you were digging the beds, the most important person was me, and most important business was to do me some good. Later, when the man ran to us, the most important time was when you were caring for him, because if we had not dressed his wounds, he would have died without having made peace with you. After some time, when you met the wounded person, you started caring for him. Even that was the correct time to do something. So he was the most important man, and the person whom you met yesterday, he was very important person, and what you did for him, it was a important business. So according to this statement, what the hermit wanted to tell? He wanted to tell that whenever you have something, that should be done exactly, properly. So that's the important thing for that time. Now let's find out the next paragraph. Remember then, there's only one time that's important, and that time is now. It is the most important time because it's the only time we have any power to act. So the answer for your question is, for the first question, the most important time is now. Now you have all the authority to do whatever you want. So you can do best things now, and it can be one of the important time in your life. The most necessary person is the person you are with at a particular moment. So who is the most important person as per your second question? The person who stays with you at the time is the most important person. The most important business is to do that person good. So what can be most important thing? Doing good to that person who is standing next to you. Because we are sent into this world for that purpose alone. That's the reason why we are sent to the earth. So these were the answers given by hermit. So let's find out the answer for comprehension part. What did the king promise the man? The king promised the man that he give back all the properties he had taken away from his brother. The second question is, the hermit said that the king had been answered. If you agree, what was the answer to the first question? To the first question, there's only one time that's important, that time is now. Why did the hermit say that he was the most important man? Because if he was not served by the king would have gone away and king would have been attacked by the attacker. That's why hermit says he is the important person at that moment. According to the hermit, now is the most important time. Why? Because this is the only time where we have some power to do something. Past is gone, future has not come. So the present now is very important for doing something and achieving something. The next question is, what according to the hermit was the most important business? According to the hermit, most important business was doing good to others. That's all for the day. Thank you.